Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create an AI-generated logo in Canva using their built-in AI tools. This is a super fast way to get professional-looking logo designs without starting from scratch. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, head over to the Canva homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice an option labeled Canva AI. Click on it to access Canva's artificial intelligence features. This is where all the magic happens, and it's designed to help you create professional designs in just a few clicks. After clicking Canva AI, you'll see several design options appear on your screen. From these options, click on Design and then choose Logo from the list. This tells Canva exactly what type of design you want to create, so the AI can tailor its suggestions specifically for logo creation rather than posters, flyers, or other formats. Now comes the fun part. You'll see a prompt box where you can describe the logo you want. Type in a short, clear description that includes your brand name, the type of business you're running, and the colors you'd like to use. For example, you might type something like, Tech Startup Logo for CloudSync with blue and silver colors. The more specific you are here, the better the AI can understand your vision and generate logos that match your brand identity. This step is crucial because it guides the AI in creating designs that actually fit your business style. Once you've entered your prompt, click the Submit button. Now you'll need to wait a few moments while Canva's AI processes your request and generates multiple logo options for you. The system is analyzing your description, combining design elements, and creating several variations based on your input. Give it a bit of time to work its magic. After the generation is complete, you'll see several logo options displayed on your screen. Browse through them and select the one that resonates most with your brand. If you want to make adjustments, Canva makes it incredibly easy to edit the logo directly. You can change colors, adjust text, resize elements, or swap out icons to perfectly match your vision. This flexibility means you're not stuck with exactly what the AI creates. You can refine it until it's just right. When you're completely satisfied with your logo, click the Download button to save it to your device. Alternatively, if you want to use this logo in another Canva design like a business card or social media post, you can easily incorporate it into your other projects without downloading it first. And there you have it. You've created a professional AI logo in Canva in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.